For example, an individual is defined as a single organism belongs to a particular species and lives in the environment is referred to be an individual. A single organism belongs to a particular species and lives in the environment is referred to as individual. For example, a dog is an individual. If you think this setup, this diagram, you can see this diagram clearly. Here you can see there, so I have symbol, this is human and something like this, we call it a crow. I have just drawn a diagram because I am not that much fluent in art. So I'll just come here. So this is a human and crow, the boxes, the squares are cats, the triangles are dogs. If you consider in this environment, this is an individual. This particular one is an individual. One crow, it is an individual. A single organism. It might be a dog, it might be a cat, it might be a rat, snake, anything. It's an individual. So we define individual, a single organism belong to a particular species and lives in the environment is referred to as an individual. A coconut plant, a mango tree, one mango tree, right? Also a mango tree, also we can say a banana tree, something. It should be an organism. Even a paramecium is an individual. A paramecium, a euglena, a chlamydomonas is an individual. Right. So here I said you a term species. It is not in this organization level. We didn't speak anything about species. Species mean it is defined as a group of similar organisms who can interbreed naturally to produce fertile offspring. How we define a species is a group of similar organisms who can interbreed naturally to produce fertile offsprings. So very simple. If you consider two dogs, okay, let's think this is a dog, okay, according to me it is a dog, right? There's another dog, two dogs now, let's say, right? There are two dogs. So if you think of these two are similar organisms. The dogs are look like the same. They have same number of ears, same number of eyes, okay? They have same number of teeth, okay? So everything are similar. Also, they will naturally interbreed. No need to be artificial. They will naturally interbreed and they will produce new dogs. They can produce new dogs. They can, if it is a male and female, they can naturally interbreed. You should underline the term naturally interbreed, and they can produce the next generation as well. Also, this generation will be fertile. Even they can naturally produce something else. Another organism, they can produce another dog. Right? So here, the most important points are very simple. There should be a group of organisms. They should be similar in their features. They should be similar in their features. They should be similar. Also, they should be able to interbreed naturally. Also, they should produce fertile offspring in the next generation. Okay, the kids.